So everybody's been talking about the Jordan 3 True Blues. Now, is the talk truly worth it? Well, you're gonna have to watch till the end of the video.
Alright, so starting off with the box, you're gonna notice we have the Jordan face box. And I was telling y'all, bro, this face box is gonna be for almost every shoe, man. It's crazy work. Then we open the shoe, we see that shoe paper. You're gonna have this elephant print themed shoe paper instead of your typical shoe paper, which is different and interesting. You know, it gives the shoe a bit of a character. Then we open this shoe and we get a look at the shoes, man. We got the elephant print, man. It's definitely bold on this shoe. I think the elephant print stands out better than another different Jordan. And then we also got those hints of blue, very much like a darker blue than the original True Blue 3. So interesting to see how these look on feet. Then we take it up, we've got Nike Air on the back tab above that elephant print, your typical Jordan 3 back tab. And we also saw a little glimpse at this hang tag, and it will be the cheap version. So one we saw similar to the white cement 4s. Then we can see there sort of like the side look of the shoe. You will have elephant print right near that area of the laces. You can also see you got Jordan Jumpman logo on the tongue. It's gonna be red. So then we will notice we do have the bottom. It's gonna be your typical Jordan 3 bottom. You've got the red Nike on the bottom. You've got some hints of gray, a majority gray outsole, and then we will have that red part right there. And then that's a look at the other shoe. So basically, that's the Jordan 3 True Blues. And do I think it's worth the hype, man? I think ultimately that's for you guys to decide in the comment section down below. And let me know if y'all gonna copy it. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.